smoke is the energy, the source of pain. Numbs of pain. Breaks it down in pieces, now I understand. Now it's sticky in the lungs, yeah, I find it. Lost inside, it's the anytime I breathe. Trapped inside my thoughts.